Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Gemini app on Android TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So we're going to head over to apps and you're going to go to your browser of choice. I'm going to be using the Google browser and we're going to be trying to access the web version of the Google Play Store. So for this video, I'm going to show you to download the Gemini app. So just search on Gemini in this search bar. And if you look for Gemini app, you should find an option here from play.google.com. So this is play.google.com to store to apps details. So you're looking for this link. So click on Google Gemini and you find the application right here. All you need to do is click on install and that begins the download process. So give it a couple of seconds to pend, and if your internet connection is good, it should pend and then download swiftly for an automatic install to begin. So just hang on tight and wait for the application to set up, and you find that the download process will be very fast because it is a smaller size app and download is complete. You're expecting to see an automatic installation process where the app is just going to install automatically. You don't need to click on any install button or adjust any settings. Just sit back, relax, and wait for the application to complete installation. So right there you see it's done downloading and the installation process has begun. And very briefly it's over and the app is downloaded and ready to use. So you could access the app with the open button right here, or you could just head over to your app library and search for the application on your app drawer. So if you look on your app drawer, you find the Google Gemini app downloaded and installed. That's Gemini right there. If this was insightful, if the video was useful, smash the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. It's DaveTech signing out.